if you want to remove the SIM card from Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then here's what we need to do. So first of all, we need to prepare the SIM eject tool, which we can find, of course, inside the box. Take a look at the bottom of the phone, and here we have the SIM tray with the hole, and we need to insert the pin into that hole. There we go. And then once we are in, just push it. I'm gonna try to show you on the camera. So just push it in until the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, and then we can use our fingers or fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. And now I have two SIM cards inserted, so I can try to push it gently from one side in order to try to remove the SIM card. I think it came out, yeah, so it came out just a little bit. And then let's try from the other side. There we go. And of course, let's insert the SIM tray back into the phone. And there we go. Of course, make sure that the SIM tray is fully in. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!